Did you know that Willow Health Center offers primary health care services like vaccines and physicals? And if there's anything that they cannot help you with, a referral can be made to make sure you get the care you need.
Willow is a Title X provider, which means they can have confidential services available to minors like pregnancy testing, birth control, STI, HIV testing, substance use education, and mental health services.
My friend told me about Willow on Pennsylvania Avenue, which is through the Ingham County Health Department.
I found the number for Willow online and called to make an appointment.
On the day of the appointment, I brought with me my ID and insurance card. I filled out some paperwork as I was waiting to be seen.
When the medical assistant finished taking my vitals, they let me know the doctor would be in shortly to discuss the reason for my visit.
When working through the routine screening questions with my doctor, they asked if I was sexually active. It is important to be honest with your nurse or doctor when discussing sex.
It might be embarrassing or awkward at first to talk about sex with your doctor or nurse, but they have seen and heard it all.
Your nurse or doctor will help you figure out which tests are right for you by asking some questions, like what symptoms you're having, if you or your partner have ever had any STIs before, the number of partners you've had sex with. They might also ask how often you use protection like condoms or dental dams.
There are different ways to test for STIs depending on which one you are being tested for. This could be a urine sample, a cheek swab, or blood test. The nurse or doctors may also test sores by taking a sample of fluid from any sore or blisters you have with a swab.
It might take a few days to get all of the results back. Other times, your doctor may be able to recognize an STI right away and get started on treatment.
It can be a real bummer to find out you have an STI and you might be upset, embarrassed, or mad, but you're not alone. This can be tough, but your doctor may have some tips to help you have those conversations.
Many STIs can be easily cured with medication as long as you finish your treatment. Some STIs cannot be cured, but there are ways to treat the symptoms and prevent you from giving your STI to anyone you have sex with. At the end of my appointment, the doctor explained next steps and treatment options if they're needed. After the test results came back, they asked if I had any more questions or things I wanted to talk about. They then said they would be in touch with my results and will discuss follow-up appointments if it's necessary.
Whether it's an STI test, pregnancy test, vaccine, mental health services, or a physical,
Willow Health Center is available and open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Once you become a health center patient, clinical advice is always available to you 24/7.